Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Drea Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I transformed my vanity with all Dollar Tree products. All in all, I spent less than $15, so let's go ahead and get into the video and show you how I did it. Okay, so here is everything that I bought. I got 2 napkin holders as well as 2 organizers. I also bought a candle holder and a candlestick holder. With this, I figured I could glue the candle holder on top of the candlestick holder and make it into like a little chalice to hold my beauty blenders. Then I also bought these 2 little glass cups. I figured I could pour some of these Epsom salts in there and it would be like a makeup brush holder. Lavender is my favorite smell in the world, so this ended up working out perfectly. I also ended up getting these adhesive diamond wraps, which is basically like a sticky backing and you can just slap it on there, but I felt like that wasn't as durable as it should be, so I went ahead and just bought this fix all glue, and basically it's like E6000 but you know, Dollar Tree. I also bought this little basket. I figured I can transform it into a little trash can, and then I also got this basket and I figured I could put like all my waxing stuff in it because I have a lot of that. So I started off by just peeling all of the little stickers off. This was a little time consuming because like sometimes they don't come all off in one piece, but if that happens, just take some rubbing alcohol and just rub it off with that. Then I went ahead and got my handy dandy fix all adhesive out of the wrapper, which I had to speed up because I was sitting on a struggle bus with this one. And then once I finally got her open, I went ahead and just put some onto my napkin holder, and then I went ahead and just slapped my diamonds on there, and bam, bam, turkey and ham. She looking delicious and delectable. She is ready. Okay, she's so cute. And then I just did the same thing to the other side. I think the whole process to get everything done took me less than like 30 minutes to get all of this stuff done. So it's really quick, really easy, and she looks super cute. So baby girl, go ahead and get into it. And boom, this is what she looks like all done. I'm gonna go ahead and get some products and put that into here so you guys can see what the final product looks like. I was able to put 3 large palettes into here, but in this one I only put 2. But if you have a lot of palettes, this is ideal because you can throw a lot in there. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and just make a little chalice for our beauty blenders. This was probably like the easiest one to do because literally all I did was glue the candle holder to the other cup and just let it dry, and then I slapped some diamonds on there and she's looking all bougie and extra. So yeah, this was probably the hardest part, was getting this little sticker off. And here is what she looks like with some beauty blenders in it. It's super extra, super glamorous, and I'm all here for extra, so I am loving this right now. And now for the organizers. I don't know if you saw them in the background of the other videos, but basically all I did after I got them unwrapped finally, because they wrapped them so you don't want to open them, but I finally got them unwrapped and then I just glued them together and let that sit, and then after that I just stuck all my little tubes, my concealers, and my lip glosses in there. And you guys already know the drill. I went ahead and slapped some of my diamond adhesives on there to make it even more extra. She is so cute, so extra. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of my lip glosses and concealers in there. They fit perfectly except for the Fenty full-size bottles. Those don't really fit, so I just stuck it in the back. And then I added all of my concealers right next to my lip glosses, and this has probably been the most convenient thing to have because I can just, boom, pick it out and just slap it on my face. Now for my makeup brush holders, I basically just did the same thing that I've been doing, is take the Fix All and glue on my diamonds. Then I went ahead and added my Epsom salts, half in this one and then half in the other one. Then I did my face brushes in this one, and then I did my eye brushes in the other one. And I love this one too because everything smells like lavender. And then for my little clear storage container, I went ahead and just stuck all of my waxing stuff in there. I have a lot of waxing stuff, so this fit perfectly and everything looks so nice and organized. And here's what my vanity looks like after everything is said and done. Those little white shelves I got from Five and Below, but you know, still a bargain. That is all for this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, glow babies.